Today in front of me I have OPPO A77, and in this video I will show how you can make sure that your device is 100% authentic and original. So to start, make sure to grab the phone itself and the box or package in it came inside. Then launch the settings, go for the About Device section. In here, tap at the status, and then find the serial number section. Then compare the serial number that you have over here with the serial number that should be printed at the sticker that is glued or placed at the side of your box, or it can be placed whatever really, but just as long as you find it, that's fine. In here, for some reason my camera does not zoom properly, so let me quickly change my focus mode to manual. That will be okay. So here it is, and as you can see in my case, the serial numbers at the status page and at the packaging absolutely correspond, which means that the phone that I have is 100% authentic and original. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.